What's up, y'all? This is Jason with another video. I'm going to put some new windshield wipers, some Bosch PUREVision on this 2006 Chevrolet Impala. So currently it has Rain-X windshield wipers on. I don't have a problem with the Rain-X windshield wipers. I'm not sure when I put them on here. I didn't make a video and I don't remember documenting it. I still think they're decent windshield wipers, but y'all, this is one of those kind of things to where my wife has always hated Rain-X windshield wipers. She says it has something to do with her vision or whatever. She doesn't like. I love Rain-X, even the Rain-X windshield washer, fluid, all that kind of stuff. I love the way it makes the water bead up and roll off your windshield. And I think I may have washed this car with my daughter's new car wash, which also makes the stuff, come flying off the car like Rain-X would. But I'm tired of hearing her complain about it. And if it's making unsafe driving conditions for her because she doesn't see well with it, well, let's get it fixed, okay? So what we have here currently is these Rain-X. And like I say, I got the Bosch PUREVision. They say they're really easy to install. The guy wanted to install them for me there, but I wasn't in the car, and I'm kind of glad because I want to make a video for it. Imagine that. The Bosch PUREVision 22, and it's 22 PUV for a 2006 Chevrolet Impala, and that goes for a lot of models of Impalas. And well, these are going to be easy to take off, and it says something to do with they're good for the J hooks. So I say easy to take off. I'm already having trouble. How about that? Let's see. Right. See that? Yes, I do have a towel underneath here because I always feel like it's safe to do this with a towel underneath, because what if this thing pops back and hits the windshield? So you just pull it forward. And then now that's with these Rain-X windshield wipers. Now you gotta take into consideration, I'm doing this one-handed. There we go. All right, that one's off. To me, they still look pretty good. But she ain't happy. If she ain't happy, I'm not gonna be happy, because she's gonna be complaining about it. Anybody need some? Maybe I'll retire them. Okay, so time to get the other ones out. Now that one was on there like this. This looks kind of big and bulky, but I guess that one does too. Stuff falling everywhere. So remember, I'm doing this one-handed, y'all. So this, it's gonna fold up. Not sure if you saw that on video, but it's just like the other one, except for the other one was a lot smaller. And this J hook, that's what they call this. They call this piece a J hook. It's going to, let me struggling. Okay. You can put it under here. And just goes into place like that. And that snaps down. See? Easy peasy. I did it one-handed with my left hand. I'm not even left-handed. All right, I'm gonna do the other one. I'm gonna throw this on pause, put the towel underneath the other one, and we'll get that one done too. I wanted to show you. So it did have some age on it. See, it's starting to crack. So it was definitely time. I'm not sure what the lifespan is of a windshield wiper, but you definitely don't, when you in your time of need, you don't want these things to tear up. This piece just tear off, and you're stuck driving through the rain. You could get in a serious accident that way. All right. See what these cost. So I think last time I bought windshield wipers for a car was on like a a sale after, like on Good Friday or something, because I got to buy one, get one free on these. So this was $23.99 for the set of buy one, get one free. Zero charge for the second one. So I might better go around and check all my other vehicles to see what condition of their windshield wipers are, and see if they still have that buy one get one free sale, and get me some windshield wipers. We'll have a lot of videos to make them, won't we? All right, let me get this out of the package. I feel like it's one-handed work here. All right, so that one pops up. So, same thing. You know, it's funny, the sun's so bright, I can't even see it good myself. So, this piece here, it's gotta come up. What I'm gonna do, use my car key like I did before. Well, it's a house key or something. Just peel it back. And I'm gonna push this forward. Now, there we go. Now what we want to do, we see if this thing was come popping down, you could bust your windshield. Just this probably isn't enough. It would have helped if it would have been doubled over. But it's really important that you don't let this pop up against your windshield. J-hook seems, this is what they call the J-hook. All right, let's see if we can do another one. One-handed. And pop that into place. She's done. I'll probably hop in the car and maybe turn the windshield wipers on and make sure they work right. Don't come flying off the car, because I would hate for her to get into a situation to where bad things happen. Let me get the towel out from underneath. I'll see if I can find her keys, and we'll get that taken care of. Okay, let's try it out. Oh wow, those work fantastic. We see it again. She'll be a happy girl. I like a happy girl. You know what happens when you have a happy wife? You get along better. I like to get along. All right, y'all. Again, this was the Bosch PUREVision. I think I've used these. I've used Bosch windshield wipers. I think this car actually, not this car, our other Impala had Bosch windshield wipers on it too when we first got it. They are decent windshield wipers. I've never had a problem with them. Again, this was for a 2006 Chevrolet Impala, and this was the Bosch PUREVision. It's a 22-inch, 22 PUV. They were $23.99 each, and currently, well, at least on Black Friday, they were buy one, get one free at my local O'Reilly's. All right. If you're worried about aesthetics, they're decent looking windshield wipers also. Y'all, thanks for tuning in. As always, this is Jason signing off. I would love for you to like and subscribe to these videos. It would really help me out. I'll be glad to keep them going. Anything I can do to help you. Sometimes it may just be a common sense thing. Sometimes you just may like cars. I hope y'all have a good one, and you'll have a fantastic day. Later.